Our chapter name is chapter number 4, Weather and Climate. In this, we'll see weather and the climate. Now, first we'll see about the weather. Short-lived atmospheric condition prevailing at a place and at a given time is called weather. What is called weather? Short-lived atmospheric condition. एक short period में atmospheric conditions रहते हैं and मेन एट अ प्लेस एट अ गिवन टाइम, एक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस में और एक गिवन टाइम में रहते हैं, बहुत टाइम तक रहते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वेदर. ओके, वेदर मीन्स weather we have given many names like sunny, cloudy, yes, stormy, thunder, hailing, windy, foggy. This is the names that we have given to the weather. Okay, today is which according to this today is storming day, or we can say as cloudy day, because clouds are there, anytime rain can happen, so that we can say as storming or rainy day, right? So this is about the weather. Short-lived atmospheric condition main at a place. Now we are at a place, right, Badlapur, and at a given time, and particular time is being given, that is weather. Next is climate. Now these two things are very important for each and every living things. Okay, the average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time is called the climate of that region. Okay, we have already studied about the regions, yes, equator and then Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn. This is we have studied in a previous chapter. So the average weather conditions which are lying on a place, जैसा वेदर कंडीशन लाई होगा पर्टिकुलर प्लेस में और उसे ऑब्जर्व किया जाएगा एक बहुत टाइम के लिए, फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज क्लाइमेट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर रीजन. Okay, for example, how we have divided now, all these comes under climate. Our summer season, then winter season, then rainy season, then autumn, because it is taking a long period to observe all these things. एक बहुत time लेते हैं, right? That is called as an climate. Next is elements of weather. What all things are rely weathers. May what all things are rely elements of weather and temperature. How we can find out the temperature? Okay. Now elements of weather is temperature, means to know whether what all things are required or what all we will observe. Temperature, air pressure, winds, moisture, precipitation are the elements of weather. To know weather, to observe the weather, these all things are required to observe. The elements of weather affect our day-to-day activities and lifestyle. Now, these elements which are there, these affects our day-to-day activity and lifestyle, and this is changing the activities of all living things. Okay, not only us, the others, the plant, the animals, they also suffers. For example, if here I'll give you, if so much rain is there, Okay, so who will get effect? The plants will get effect, the animals and the birds will get effect, because they have to shift from one place to another place where they can live properly. Okay, and even we will also suffer. So this is the elements which are there, which affects the lifestyle also. For example, in winter season, we wear what? Sweaters to protect our body. But what is happening? We only wear the dress. But along with the dress, we have to carry the sweater. And in the rainy season, what happens? We have to carry the umbrellas everywhere along with our dress up. So this is the day to day. We are affecting our day to day lifestyle. Next is temperature. Now, one by one, we will see all these elements, how they are affecting us, or how they are involved with us, or how they are being built. First one is temperature. In that first one, we have seen temperature. The Earth's surface gets heat from the sun. This we are all aware of. Earth gets a effect from the sun. As a result, the surface gets heat up. जो Earth की जो surface है, that gets heat up. As we move upward to from the sea, जैसे ही sea से we going upward, you can see in the second picture near the sea, what is there? As we go away from the sea level, the temperature of air decrease. Air का temperature decrease होता है. As a temperature of air decrease, the temperature also goes on decreasing from equator towards both the poles. Equator, it is an highest temperature. From there, as we go to the polar regions, the temperatures keeps on decreasing. At the end, we reach with the poles. We have two poles, right? Both the side, both the hemisphere. The temperature start decreasing.